Nyambo, we want to hear from you.
Thank you so much.
For those of you who don't know, Kivumbi King is an amazing Rwandan artist.
With a wicked new song that just came out called Macarena. Go listen to that one.
He's already bribing people to scream for him. Do you know what? Quickly, all right, sorry. So in the meantime, can you please enter over?
Fred, make your way.
So guys, remember the theme is tropical elegance. All right, DJ Sonia, let's go. Let's go, Rosskana.
Rosskana, over to you.
Let's go.
And what's your inspiration? Because it's golden. Crispy? I'm scared.
Guys, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for sharing so much. I just wanted to make sure that everybody here knows this time. This time.